Welcome back to Beading with Earl Grey, a quiet corner for calm, rainy day projects. There's something about a soft storm outside the window that makes beadwork feel even more comforting. The world slows down, the kettle hums, and the beads seem to settle into their own gentle rhythm. Today, we're leaning into that rainy day mood with a simple bead study, a small, meditative project you can finish in one sitting. Nothing rushed, nothing complicated, just a warm cup of Earl Grey, a steady thread, and the soft clink of beads gathering in your palm. Start by choosing colors that feel like the weather outside: misty grays, soft blues, warm ambers, or the quiet glow of cream. Lay them out in a small palette and let the colors speak to you. Rainy day beadwork is all about listening to the mood. Thread your needle slowly, breathe, and begin with a simple pattern. Maybe a gentle ladder stitch or a tiny peyote panel. Let each bead fall into place like raindrops on a porch roof. The repetition becomes its own kind of comfort, a quiet ritual. These little studies build your confidence, help you understand your materials, and give you space to enjoy the craft without pressure. As the rain keeps falling, let your beadwork grow at its own pace. Sip your tea, adjust your tension, and enjoy the simple beauty. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And check out the full playlist, Beadwork for Beginners.